What is the sum of the shaded parts in the given figures? Here, these are the shaded parts. 3 upon 7, 4 upon 5, means out of 5, 4 are shaded, out of 7, 3 are shaded. The fraction is 3 upon 7 plus 4 upon 5. Now to solve this, there are two methods. First, you directly multiply 7 multiply 5, similarly 3 multiply 5, or 5 multiply 7 into and upon 4 into 7. But the best way is first try LCM of denominators. LCM of denominator means 7 and 5 is 35. So here it's the same case. So 7 into 5, so multiply the numerator also. 3 into 5, 15. 5 into 7, because we have to bring 35 at the bottom, at the denominator. So 5 into 7, so 4 into 7. What the number by which you multiply denominator, the same number you will be multiplying with numerator. So you get is 15 plus 28 upon 35. So 15 plus 28, 43 upon 35. Convert this to mixed fraction. Why mixed fraction? Because in the answers mixed fraction is given. If in the answers normal fraction would have been given, means proper or improper, then we would have kept 43 upon 35 only. Depending on the answer given, you have to do. So 35 1 is 35 plus 8, 43. So 1 8 by 35. B